Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Rafif Lubis dengan NIM 10201213000367 dari kelas TI 4712. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi stagecoach problem. The stagecoach problem is a problem specifically constructed to illustrate the features and to introduce the terminology of dynamic programming. It concerns a mythical fortune seeker in Missouri who decided to go west to join the gold rush in California during the mid-19th century. Their journey would require traveling by stagecoach through unsettled country where there was a serious danger of attack by marauders. Although his starting point and destination were fixed, he had considerable choice as to which stage or territories that subsequently became states to travel through en route. The possible routes are shown in Figure 10.1, where each state is represented by a circular ladder and the direction of travel is always from left to right in diagram. Thus, for stage or stagecoach runs where So the first seeker was a prudent man who was quite concerned about his safety. After some thought, he came out with a rather clever way of determining the safest route. Life insurance policies were offered to stagecoach passengers. Because the cost of policy for taking any given stagecoach run was based on a careful evaluation of the safety of the run. The safest route should be one with the cheapest total life insurance policy. The cost for the standard policy on the stagecoach run from stage I to stage J, which will be denoted by CIG, is as follows. Jadi kalian bisa melihat contoh gambarnya pada slide berikut ini. Oke, selanjutnya, the route system and cost for the stagecoach problem is presented below. The next is solving the problem. Solving the problem. First note that the short-sighted approach of selecting the cheapest route offered by each successive stage need not yield an overall optimal decision. Following this strategy will give the route A, B, F, I, J at a total cost of 13. However, sacrificing a little on one stage may permit greater saving thereafter. For example, ADF is cheaper overall than ABF. One possible approach to solving this problem is used to trial and error. However, the number of possible routes is large, or 18, and having to calculate the total cost for each route is not appealing task. Fortunately, dynamic programming provides solutions with much less effort than exhaustive enumeration. The computational savings are enormous of larger version of this problem. Dynamic programming starts with a small portion original problem and find the optimal solution. For this smaller problem, gradually enlarge the problem, finding the current optimal solution preceding one until the original problem is solved in its entirety. For the stagecoach problem, we start with the smaller problem where the fortune seeker has nearly completed his journey and has only one more stage or stagecoach run to go. The obvious optimal solution for this smaller problem is to go from his current state, whatever it is, to his ultimate destination or state J. At each subsequent iteration, the problem is enlarged by increasing by 1 the number of stages left to go to complete the journey. For this enlarged problem, the optimal solution for where to go next from each possible stage can be found relatively easily from the result obtained at the preceding iteration. The detail involved in implementing the above follow. So, formulation: let the decision variables xn n equal 1, 2, 3, 4 be the immediate destination on stage n. The stage codes run to be taken. Thus the row selected is A to x1 to x2 to x3 to x4, where the x4 is j. Let fn as xn be the total cost of the best overall policy for the remaining stage, given that the fortune seeker is in stage S, ready to start stage N, and selects xn as the immediate destination. Give S and N, let xn denote any value of xn, not necessarily unique, that minimize fn as Sn, and let the fn. The value of CSXN is given by the preceding tables for Cij by setting I equal S, the current stage, and J equal Xn, the immediate destination, because the ultimate destination of stage J is reached at the end of stage 4. The objective is to find F1 or A and the corresponding route. Dynamic programming finds it by successfully finding F4, F3, F2 for each possible state S, then using F2s to solve for F1. Solution procedure or stage 4. When the fortune seeker has only one more stage to go and equal 4, his route thereafter is determined entirely by his current state H, either H or I, and his final destination x4 equal j, so the route for this final stage codes run is H equal j. Therefore, since f4 or sj, ch1j, the immediate solution to the n equal 4 problem is like the picture. Solution procedure stage 3, when the fortune seeker has 2 more stages to go, or n equals 3. The solution procedure requires a few calculations. For example, suppose that the fortune seeker is in stage f. Then as depicted in the figure, he must next go to either stage H or I at an immediate cost of CFH equals 6 or CFI equals 3, respectively. If he chooses stage H, the minimum additional cost after he reaches the is given preceding table as F4 or H3 equals 3, as shown above the H node in the diagram. Therefore, the total cost for this decision is 6 plus 3 or equal 9. If he chooses stage I instead, the total cost is 3 plus 4 equals 7, which is smaller. Therefore, the optimal choice is the latter one, x3 equal I, because it gives the minimum cost f3 equals 7. Solution procedure or stage 3. Similar calculation need to be made when you start from the other two possible state H equal E and S equal G with 2 stages to go. Try it. Proceeding both graphically in figure 10.1 and algebraically combining Cij and F4 values to verify the following complete. The solution for the second stage problem n equal to where there are these three states to go is obtained in similar fashion. In this case F2, for example, suppose that the fortune seeker is in state C as depicted below. Solution for stage 2, making similar calculation when you start from state B or D. Try it yields the following result for the n equals 2 problem. In the first or third rows of this table, note the E and F tie as the minimizing value, so the immediate destination for either state B or D should be x2 equal E or F. Solution procedure stage 1. Moving to the first stage problem, n equals 1, with all 4 stages to go, we see that the calculations are similar to those just shown for the second stage problem, n equals 2. Except now, there is just one possible starting state h equal a, as depicted below. These calculations are summarized next for the 3 alternatives for the immediate destination. Making a conclusion and optimal for the entire problem can now be identified. For the fourth table result, then n equals 9, 1. And choosing the other two optimal routes is A, D, E, H, G, and A, D, F, I, G. They all yield a total cost of F1 equal 11. And one optimal route is A to C to E to H to J. The solution you can see like this. And so itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan. Lebih dan kurang saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri dengan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.